Bellwether Media's Black Sheep imprint presents thrill-seeking readers with a collection of eerie historical events in the new graphic novel series, Paranormal Mysteries. Research from diaries, radio transcripts, newspapers, and other primary sources is brought to life through narrative nonfiction features like historical quotes, timelines, and narrative dialogue designed to engage reluctant readers in grades 3 to 8. A unique feature, The Theory Behind, encourages readers to think critically about possible explanations for alien abductions, ancient curses, hauntings, disappearances, and monstrous sightings. The spine-tingling experience of Paranormal Mysteries is sure to have readers questioning the supernatural, because in a world where truth can be overshadowed by imagination, who knows what really happened?